Well, welcome back, y'all. Today we got a 6.9 International 7 F350 1985, and me and my brother are gonna show you how to change out some of the injectors. We're only doing 2 of them because that's all we got in right now. It's gonna need a 1-inch socket and a 5/8 wrench. All you gotta do is take the first little thing off. So once you get these little things up, all you gotta do is pull them up out the way, like that one over there. And then you gotta take these little fuel lines off. Just little green clips. Well, they can be any color, but unplug them. And after you get that little thing off, the little top copper pipe, that thing just slides right off. And then you got one other bolt down there, which is the injector itself. And like I said, you need the 1-inch socket. It's supposed to have a torque wrench, but we'll just torque it down to what we think. So all you really have to do is since we're taking 2 of them off, I just unhook one of the fuel lines and it should free up both of them enough. And then make sure you're going in the right direction so you don't strip out your engine compartment, and then take that sucker off. And what we always do is kind of like hit the ratchet a little bit so you're not putting too much force onto it at one time, so just in case it don't break nothing. And there you go. So we got some connector grease in there. Take the copper O-ring off.
You do that so it don't fall in there crooked.
Yeah, it's just to hold it in there. My phone keeps coming out of focus. Keep the little plastic part on there while you ratchet that sucker down. That should be good right there.
Alright.
Give him one more little thing, just to make sure. Not too hard, not too hard. Just a little tiny bit more pressure. Right there. That should be good. And then you put the little fuel thing back on.
Oh yeah. I might want to do that. You know what? I'm gonna wait on that until we get the other one done. Alright. Same thing
You're
with
all
this
up in the way, boy. Get my brother to do some of the work now, because it's his truck. Remember, you gotta take the little copper ring off first to put the little stuff on there. That's just to make it so, like we said before, it don't fall in there crooked. Put the fuel line back on, boy. Boom, just like that, we got it all put in. Both injectors. We already replaced that one a while back. And now, I showed him how to do it on this one. And then I let him work on them too. He's got to buy the rest of them. I ain't paying for none of this. He is, because it's not my truck. But for my truck over yonder, yeah, it's Halloween stuff, but Larry, he's doing pretty good, man. But yeah, here's the old ones right here. That's what was making them leak right there. These bad O-rings. There, you can see there. And then I guess I'll get y'all a start on this truck. Oh yeah, you might have to drain the air out the lines with that little sucker. You just get a little, like a knife or something, like that little thing, till you hear that the air's out of it.
Well, still fuel starts coming out.
AKA, till you hear the air quit coming out. He's still got to put his air filter on, and then hook it up. Spray some ether in there, get her started. Here's letting the air out. You gotta turn the key over, and then you'll hear that, and then you'll see a little bit of fuel come out.
Make sure there's no fuel coming out the injectors.
And make sure there ain't no leakage. Should be pretty good. And then we'll start this sucker. All right. Gotta love older trucks. Sounds good. Well, thank y'all for watching. That's how you do it. I know it's a little bit different truck than Larry, but that's how you put some injectors in a 85 F350 6.9. Thank y'all for watching. Come back to watch the next one.